A couple of months ago I bought a Glock, and I've been practicing my knife throwing with it ever since. I'm getting pretty decent with the full spin throw, and I'm trying to learn the no spin throw. After you get the no spin technique down, you can hit your target at any throwing distance. So I wanted a good knife, so I could practice that technique. This is the Glock 81, and the knife comes shipped to your door, ready for you to practice as well. I cut open the package and pulled out my new Glock, and the first thing I noticed was that durable sheath. It's made out of a hard plastic and has a flexible belt clip. You can pull it to the side and lock it in place around your belt, or just keep it open and clip it on your waistline. It has a thumb lock on it that holds your knife in place. It's not going anywhere, no matter how much you shake it. Then you can put your thumb on the lock and your finger on the hilt of the blade, and then pop out the Glock easily. You can even do it one-handed. The blade has a dual serrated back and a super sharp tip. The blade itself is 6.5 inches, and the handle is durable and feels rugged. Not only that, but it's weighted perfectly. I've been practicing against styrofoam targets, and with a good throw, it'll sink all the way to the hilt. I also have some stumps holding the targets in place, and when I hit those, it's so much more satisfying. The thud sounds so cool, and the knife still gets stuck pretty deep in the wood. So I'm definitely going to set up some wood targets in the future after I get confident with this. But I'm still learning, and still mess up. Just look at these ricochets when the handle hits the stump. This being said, if you get one of these, make sure that you have a safe place to practice at. You don't want to be like this deer cutout and get hit with a ricochet. I personally have this room to throw into, so the walls catch a lot of the ricochets, and the styrofoam dampens it as well. I even have a baseball cage net in the back that'll catch the knives that go behind. And normally I'd recommend wearing some durable pants while throwing too, but it's been really hot here, and the knives never bounce out of this range, so practice at your own risk. Anyway, learning different throwing weapons has been my new favorite hobby. I've used a lot of different knives. I practiced with axes, and so many different household items. But this Glock is my favorite to use. It's so much fun to go out and blow off some steam for a while. And not only is it fun to throw, super sharp, and extremely durable, but it's useful as well. I'll keep this on me while I'm working around the farm, and it's come in handy multiple times already. Overall, I'm really happy with this purchase, and just loving this Glock. So if you're looking for a nice knife to help you with your daily tasks, or even blow off some steam throwing like me, this knife might just be for you. Till next time, I'm headed back out to the range to practice the no spin throw some more. See ya.